I am compelled to come out and speak my heart as I see the cricket in Goa is going from bad to worse under present President Mr. Suraj Lotlikar. GCA under Mr. Suraj Lotlikar has gone to such lower level that there is no selection committee and the players are selected at the whims and fancy of Mr. Lotlikar and not based on their performances and skills. If you see my statistics and records, the copies I have circulated to all of you for your reference, I have single-handedly won matches for Goa in the recent 3 to 4 seasons with my bowling, and also in every season I have been the highest wicket taker for Goa. Last year I played 3 matches and the third game was against one of the tough opposition, that is Punjab. And against Punjab, I managed to pick 5 wickets. Most important 5 wickets against Punjab. However, even after taking 5 wickets against Punjab, I was highly demoralized by our president, Mr. Suraj Lotlikar, who told me that my performance is useless because the opposition team has scored 500. If you had played cricket, you would have never told me this. The problem here is people have never played cricket and they are in the helm of affairs. After taking 5 wickets, I was told my performance is useless. I was shocked and surprised that Mr. Suraj Lotlikar told me to consider retirement and make way for junior under 19 cricket. It was shocking that I was told after taking 5 wickets to consider retirement. Being the most highest wicket taker in Goa, my performance was there, my fitness was there, I was told to take retirement. I was shocked and surprised and I asked Mr. Suraj Morajkar, give me one good reason. What is your suggestion as to you wish me? Suraj Lotlikar, as to what is the advice for retirement and to keep me out of the remaining matches. No reason, however, whatsoever in nature was given to me. I was terribly pain, like agony in pain, distress. I was in stress, and for his illogical decision, I strongly objected to Mr. Suraj Lotlikar about his illogical decision of me taking retirement. But he got annoyed and told me that he will make sure that I will never play for Goa cricket team, Ranji Trophy team in future again. He even went to extend, I remember he even went to extend saying me, I will never be a part of any IPL team this year. Further, I was dropped one day's team. I was dropped in the remaining 3 matches of the Ranji Trophy, but due to some media pressure, he was compelled to include my name in the T20 squad. Mr. Suraj, instead of working towards the betterment of Goa cricket and Goan cricketers, is using GCA as his family property and is selecting players and coaches as per his personal relationship with them and according not to their capabilities and performances. You all will be shocked to know that even today the selection committee is not put in place to select the state team. For that matter, even the junior under 19 team which is in Hyderabad right now, without any coach, they have, even the Goan players know that there is no selection committee. The same can be seen by our current head coach, Mr. Prakash Mayekar, who has hardly played any cricket. I am very sad to say this, but I have not learned anything from him, being 2 years of head coach. He is not fit to be a head coach of a state Ranji team. I have been there and I have seen the decisions that he has taken as a head coach, resulting in Goa losing matches and even drawing matches from a winning position. There are more capable players in Goa who have played more cricket than him, highly qualified, better than Mr. Prakash Mayekar, who are supposed to be the head coach of Goan cricket team. But Mr. Prakash Mayekar is inducted and is surviving only because he is very close and a very good friend of President Suraj Lotlikar and has nothing to do with the development of Goan cricket or Goa cricketers. Let me take you to the present controversies, which seems to be the highlight of the height of the all illogical and joke of Goa cricket and for Goan cricketers, professional players. Now I want to ask you, who are these professional players? What is the criteria required to become a professional player? Number one, Mr. Mohammad Asauddin, who is, you all must be knowing, who is the son of former India captain Mohammad Azharuddin, who is 29 years of age, and in his prime 29 years of age, he has never played a single Ranji Trophy match nor a first class match. Even the last match he played for a state was way back in 2009, that too for a Hyderabad Colts team, and that's an invitational tournament which is called Moinudullah Trophy. He tried for Uttar Pradesh, he tried various states, but he was not given chance. But आमचे हांगा कितें Goa, yo, we welcome you, come and play. Goa is free. What about our Goan players? We are also struggling, we are also training hard, we are also surviving for every day, we also want to play for Goa. But no, Goa is not, Goa Cricket Association, Mr. Suraj Lotlikar is not bothered about Goan players. We are calling players from outside, yo, make a debut for Goa cricket team. My question to you all is, just because, okay, Mohammad Azharuddin, former India captain, great player, does that make his son to play for Goa automatically because he is a former India captain's son? Then second pro, Mr. Amit Verma, who is from Karnataka, who has shifted states like anything with his poor performances. I have given you the papers, I can show you, I have the records of him, everything. His last 2 seasons with Goa, with Assam, is average performance. If you compare it with our Goan player, Swapnil Asnodkar or Saurabh Bandekar, they have better performances than Amit Verma. And he has not even played last year Ranji Trophy. He has not even played first class cricket. Then why is he given chance to Goa, to play for Goa? This is how you spoil the name of Goa. Mr. Namdev Phadke, during his time, he brought Goa cricket, he brought Goa map. With me playing in the IPL, I brought Goa to the world cricket. And when we go outside, people laugh at us because because we do such things. हांगा कोणी येऊन कितेंय करून कशेंय जावन हांगा खेळटा, कांयच पडलेलें ना. कोणी येवं खेळ. गोवा इज फ्री फॉर एवरीवन. I have the performances of him. My fellow teammates Swapnil and Saurabh have better performances than Amit Verma. They deserve a chance to play. They have played. They are current performance. They are in touch. They are working hard. They are performing. They are doing fitness. He has not even played first class cricket. On what basis are you taking him as a professional player? I am asking this question to Mr. Suraj Lodlikar and GCA. They are looking for a fast bowler, which I feel is not required, because we already have good fast bowlers in the team. You take Felix Alemão, Lakshay Garg, we have Rutvik Nayak, we have Sudesh. Groom them, give them a chance here. Thank a chance diya mare. With these players, with the kind of these discarded players, Asauddin and Amit Verma, ashe ame hartales. Thanka tari chance diya. At least they'll learn something. You are bringing this players for your own benefits. Mr. Suraj Lodlikar, I want to ask you, you seem to believe in Goa, Goenkar and Goenkar Pond. Is this your Goenkar Pond? Tell me, is this your Goenkar Pond? You are giving chance, you are keeping our own Goan players outside and bringing players from outside, that too discarded players. They will be not of any benefit to Goan team, neither any young player. Anybody will be benefited from this player. They will only use it. They will come, they will play and they will go. None of our Goan players will be benefited with these two professional players. Please give chance to our own Goan players. Where is your Goenkar Pond gone now? म्हाका एक सांगा तुम्ही, आमचे गोंयान गरीब ते आवय बापूय आसता, दे हॅव अ ड्रीम हियर. ते धाडटा आपले भुरग्याक की कोचिंगाक धाडया. चल, बॅट तुमी जाणा आतां 8,000. द एक्सपेन्स, इट इज बिकम सो एक्सपेन्सिव. दे हॅव अ ड्रीम की आमचो भुरगो प्रॅक्टीस करतलो, बरो जातलो आनी गोव्याक खेळटलो. बट हाव विल दे प्ले फॉर गोवा? अशे राक्षस बसला हांगा GCM. How they will play? What is the benefit? Today it is not about me. Today I am here to support my fellow Goan cricketers and the young Goan cricketers who have been victimized, and I want to fight for their rights. Cricket is my soul. It is my soul. Cricket is my soul. I want to fight for this soul. I want to fight for Goa, Goenkar, and I want to fight for my Goan young players. The whole motto of organizing this press conference was to give justice to my fellow Goan cricketers who are being victimized because of these people. Because of their own benefit, they are ready to include any player from outstation without thinking anything about own Goan players.